Hi. I am doing another 6 by 12 layout. Today, where you got the 3 4x6 cards. And, oh, I forgot to fill this in. Hold tight. Alright, sorry. I'm taking this documented by off because I couldn't type it and I didn't want to write it because I'd already started typing it. Okay, so, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to trim that down too. Right, so this is just the night out card. That's me journaling. This is me picture. Now I did want to use the number 1 because this was the first picture, but I don't think those are going to work. It's okay. These were out of an older pack anyway, so I'll just pop those back in there. Older pack? Yeah, one of the older kits. I did think this was going to be super duper adorable. I thought this was cute for this way for fun. Because anytime we ever go anywhere, like out, it's normally to Mac's house. Mac and Melinda. You know, they have a good time. True. And this good, oh my gosh, have you guys been out of focus this whole time? I'm so sorry. Good People is from this kit. No, an older kit, but this one is from this kit. Okay. Just kind of want to get all the colors on here. And that matches the drink we were drinking too. Okay. So, every hour deserves to be happy hour. Sorry, you can't see it. I thought that was perfect for this. This here. And that, I took a picture because that little eyeball is actually Ice Cube. And Mac and Melinda had went on to a cruise. And they, forget what they called this. It was some crazy name though. And we decided to name it Green-Eyed Pirate instead. I thought it was cuter. It was a unanimous decision. So, I don't know what the cruise people called it, but we changed the name, guys. Just so you know. Put that there, and I was going to use this. because I wanted to show Saturday, but I think I might have missed my opportunity. Oh Lord, did y'all see that? Did the lights just go out on the camera? Because I'm gonna save that for the next one. I might be able to fit that in there. I thought I'd rather forget went really well, considering, you know, how, well, I don't know if you know how it feels to drink alcohol and the next day be drunk. But I don't think I was on this particular day, but it still was fitting, I thought. Stay curious. Wonder if I could stamp on that. Out and about today fits. So as I'm filming this, we still have Florence coming this way. By the time it goes up, I'm sure Florence will have made landfall. Okay, gotta get some masking. Good, good, good. Hope that's not. There we go. Oh, I could have used these. That's a good idea. Thanks, guys. One. Two. I think I need to hurry up and finish with this because the lights are flickering. I keep losing this sheet of doggone enamel dots. I just don't get it. There we go. And oh, what are you guys? Get out of the way. And can you tell? I don't know if you can tell those are tacos or not, but they are. Pure deliciousness. I don't think I'm gonna use that card. Good food, much needed, and taco night. Oh, you know what? I could put that in here. Wanted to use Worth It because I think we used all our calories of this day on just the tacos, but it was worth it. And this one says let's eat. Perfect. Oh, 3. Where's my 3? Where's the other one? Oh, hold on. blend it a little bit there. Grab some enamel dots. I don't like those up there. Oh, you know what? Probably should have put a blue one. And a green one. And the pink one down there. Alright. What do you... Oh, I forgot to cut that down. Hold on. I was like, man, that card looks weird. There we go. Perfection. Yeah, so then when it goes in the album, it'll just be these 3 cards, which is totes awesome. I love the 6x12 layout. I think I've seen Adele do it a few times, but I feel like she did, it was a whole sheet though, so I don't know where she got that from, but I'm sure I can't get it. She's in Australia. So anywho, hope you guys had a great day, and don't forget to get some crafty time in. Bye.